I can see it. I think I have to go from the other way. Whoa! I'm going to adjust that later. Ooh, I see. Let me go inside and see if I can see it.
Hey, meow.
Keep out ants, critters, things that want to crawl in there.
Things always want to crawl in there.
Everything wants to crawl on a bus.
There's a spider out there.
You see, if I had these in the center of that beam, it puts it there. Center of the beam now, upside down, it puts it there. Let me just mark it real quick. Holy moly. Right here has a DOT approved number, and usually on all lights, that's always written so it's right side up, so you can read it. You wouldn't read a DOT
No.
certification upside down, would you?
No.
Not if this is upside down, there's a problem. You're on your roof.
I don't think they were meant for buses, so.
No, they're meant for like trailers, or they're just a universal DOT approved LED light. But I have to have it there because it has to engulf one rivet and be on the edge of the other. This one wasn't 3 layers thick on the other side.
Ooh! You broke it! Hot!
I was gonna have to sharpen it anyways.
Well, now it's broke.
I don't have to sharpen it. I can't make it too big because then it'll cover the hole. That's the wrong one. Or it's not in the right spot. Stripped all the threads off of it. I was supposed to get a new battery, I forgot.
Oh, you need a new battery?
pull these off, it's going to probably suck. But they're not going to leak water in the bus. Last night when I was doing the other one, I did the put this on inside because I couldn't see. And I went like this, and then the thing just flipped right out of my hand onto the kitchen counter. With all flat face down.
Butter side down, huh?
Side down. And I said, "Oh, bad words," and you didn't move.
How satisfying is that? So super bright. I want to see your pet. What's his name?
Well, I'm a pirate, so Polly.
Does he want a cracker? There's something blinky. What? What are you talking about? No!
I can't wait to get all this stuff cleaned up.